Rima inherited her husband's money, which provided her with $6,750 at the beginning of every month for 25 years. If the interest on the saving account was 4.8% compounded semi-annually, what was the total amount of money she inherited? In this question, Rima first inherited some amount of money, then Rima invested the money in a saving account at 4.8% compounded semi-annually. Then this saving account is going to pay Rima $6,750 at the beginning of every month for 25 years. First, Rima invests money that we don't know how much, and then this saving account pays or provides Rima with $6,750 monthly at the beginning of every month for 25 years. And question says, what is the total amount of money she inherited? The amount of money she inherited is exactly the amount of money she invested in the saving account. First, Rima inherited the money, then Rima invested the money in this saving account, and then this saving account pays payments of $6,750 at the beginning of every month for 25 years. And we look for the amount of money she invested. She inherited and invested at this saving account, in this saving account. The amount of money she invested in this saving account is present value of the payments. Here we look for present value of the payments. So let's summarize the information we have in this question. Look at the payments. Payments are monthly at the beginning. How many payments in 1 year? Because payments are monthly, in 1 year, Rima is going to receive 12 payments every month at the beginning. What about compounding? Number of compounding in 1 year. Look at the number of compounding. Compounding is semi-annually. It means 2 compounding is in 1 year. How many payments is Rima going to receive during 25 years? That's N. N is PY times time period. PY is 12, payments are monthly, times time period in years, which is 25. So Rima is going to receive 300 payments of $6,750. Okay, what else we have in this question? Look at the rate of interest, IY. IY is 4.8%. That's nominal rate. And the size of each payment. Rima receives $6,750 at the beginning of each month. After receiving all the payments, the balance in this saving account would be 0. So future value is 0. And we look for the amount of money inherited and invested in this saving account. That's present value of the payments or the balance at the beginning. Okay, that's present value. So to find present value, I'm going to use financial calculator. Look at here, because payments are at the beginning, we have annuity due. When payments are at the beginning, we have annuity due. But look at PY and CY. PY is 12, CY is 2. They are different numbers. They are not same number. We have general annuity due. Okay, so first I need to set my calculator on BGN mode. Then I'm going to enter PY and CY and the other information. And at the end, we solve for PV. First, I set my calculator on BGN mode. So second, PMT, second, enter, then second, CPT. Look at here, my calculator is on BGN mode. If you are going to solve an ordinary question, after this question, you need to remove BGN. If payments are at the end, if you are going to solve ordinary question, ordinary annuity question, you need to remove BGN. How? Same again. Second, PMT, second, enter, second, CPT. Look at here. Now my calculator is on end mode. But because in this question, payments are at the beginning, I need to set my calculator on BGN mode. Okay, one more time. Second, PMT, second, enter, second, CPT. Now my calculator is ready. Payments are at the beginning. Now I'm going to set PY and CY in the calculator. Second, IY, My calculator shows PY. Payments are monthly, 12 payments in 1 year. So 12 and then enter. PY is 12. I need to go down and change CY to 2 because compounding are semi-annually. Okay, so 2 and then enter. 2 compoundings per year. Payments are monthly, compounding semi-annually. We can quit second CPT. Now I'm gonna enter N, IY, PMT, FV, and at the end compute PV. How much is N? 300. Total number of payments Rima is going to receive is 300. How much is rate of interest? 4.8. That's IY. We look for present value, the balance at the beginning in the saving account. The size of each payment Rima receives is 6,750. Look at here, I entered payments as a positive number here. Why? Because Rima receives the payments from the saving account. Saving account pays, but Rima receives the payment. The cash flow of the payments is positive. And after receiving all the payments, the balance in this saving account would be zero. So zero future value. Now let's find present value. Compute PV. Look at here. It's the amount of money invested at the beginning. Okay. So it's the final answer. I'm going to round that to the nearest cent. So the amount of money inherited and invested in this saving account is $1,188,333.16 after rounding to the nearest cent.